So guys, look at what Adrian did in school. He brought it home and I said, Adrian, what is this? And he was telling me, this is what Auntie Meghan did with the fruits. So Meghan, my darling, you are changing lives. I absolutely love this and it's going straight into my office. But I just wanted to show you that no matter how many people lie, there's always truth and it will prevail. Children don't lie. They don't know how to lie. All of my love.
Last night, I was cruising slowly with no
Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. Are we living and loving the hair, my darlings? None other than Healthy Hair Studio. None other than Healthy Hair Studio. I just live and love. I live and I love.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
Discount code Fumi. She will bring all of your edges back. You're gonna have a head of full hair. So my darlings, why are we here? I'll tell you why we're here. We are here because every single time they talk negatively about Harry and Meghan, I am going to be here to change the trajectory of the algorithm and let you know that Harry and Meghan are absolutely wonderful. This, my darling, is the home of Sussex Squad, and I intend to keep it as such. Some of you might be saying, Fumi, I love the dress. Do you know that it was a DVF jumpsuit and I turned it into a dress? I'm going to put the video for you to see, and I absolutely live and love. Anyway, I digress. So we have a clip, none other than the British press, and this is what they have to say about Harry and Meghan.
Has Meghan Markle closed the book on her love story with Prince Harry, now that the Duchess has hit the point where she believes she can cash in and make billions? Is the royal romance that once captivated the world all but over? Does Meghan, quite simply, no longer need Harry? For a self-obsessed schemer consumed by personal ambition, tying the knot with the fifth in line to the British throne was undeniably a shrewd move that vaulted her from her lowly position as a cable show C-lister to the pinnacle of the celebrity tree. Now, in her own mind at least, she's a world-famous American dream girl. And 7 years on from that magical Windsor wedding day, former Vanity Fair editor Graydon Carter, a close friend of Harry's late great mother Diana, wonders whether marrying upwards has fulfilled its function for dedicated social mountaineer Ms Markle. In a withering observation that for Meg, Harry has served his purpose, Carter told the New York Post his usefulness to her diminishes daily. Once she needed old ginger nuts to get noticed. Now she's here, she's there, she's every bloody where, and he's nowhere to be seen. While hapless Harry faffs around resigning from his disastrous African charity, Meghan hangs out with Gwyneth Paltrow, bores everyone senseless with dreary drivel plugging her mind-numbing podcasts.
Can you imagine? And this is a man who I'm sure has sisters, I'm sure for sure has a mother, and you talk about another woman like this because in essence you are being paid to troll Meghan. You are being paid to troll your Prince Harry. What a shame and what a disgrace.
What Prince Harry wanted to do was to eject me from the organization, and this went on for months. It went on for months through bullying, harassment. I have documentation. There were board meetings where members of the executive team and external strategic advisors were sending me messages saying, should I interrupt? Should I stop this? Oh my gosh, this is so bad. In fact, our strategic advisor for fundraising then sent me a message saying she wouldn't want to ever attend any more board meetings or bring her colleagues because of the treatment. When that failed, Prince Harry started to brief, and his team, sponsors that I'd been speaking to against me.
So we have the Duchess of Sussex, and I love this Instagram page. You have to follow her. She is beyond and amazing. I'm going to read a snippet for you. The media playbook. How Sophia Chanduka used the Sussex to deflect from scrutiny. You all know I established the facts as opposed to rushing to post. She's absolutely right. I was posting on my stories, but here's everything in the post. Sophie has spent the last few days deflecting from the crux of the matter, which is the entire board voted her out due to a loss of confidence in Sophie, citing her poor leadership, financial mismanagement, excessive spending of $500,000 to $600,000 on consultants without results or approval, manipulation of minutes, etc. She refused to step down, threatening legal action. So they resigned due to her refusal to step down, and the co-founders followed in solidarity. Hence, Charity Commission is investigating what transpired. The voluntary chair appointed in mid-2023 for a charity that's been around since 2006, founded by Prince Harry and Prince CSO without any prior issues, with long-lasting trustees in place. Yet suddenly, under her leadership, everything goes wrong as scrutiny intensified and her past investigated. She deflected using the Sussex. She appeared in the Financial Times and on Trevor Phillips' Sky News show, where he disclosed knowing her personally. Conveniently, she was seated next to Leanne Rawlinson, whom she appointed as a trustee March 25th, 2025. A financier, a former chair of Prince William's Tusk Trust, has never been to Sentebale. Sophie intentionally targeted Harry, not co-founder Prince CSO, who also resigned. When challenged, she claimed not knowing about his resignation was bullying and failed to provide examples. Evidence shows she was informed as early as March 10th, and it was a joint statement with Prince CSO rather than addressing the serious claims from the trustees. She also attempted to divert attention by bringing up Meghan. Meghan's presence at Polo is never really announced in advance. Footage also proves she was being inclusive, suggesting if Sophie wanted to take the central spot. As you can see the photo, she was right. This is a clear, apparent effort to deflect scrutiny from herself. It just shows how right Prince Cecil and Prince Harry were right to resign. You know why, my darlings? As she rightly said, anytime you hear negative press about Prince Harry, about Meghan, know that it's because of what? Newspaper real estate. Fumi, what are you talking about? What do you mean? I mean that the only reason why they throw Meghan and Harry to the wolves every single time is because they sell papers. That's the only reason. Bottom line, money. And they're mad and they're so angry that they left the United Kingdom because that was the goose that laid the golden egg. Yes, absolutely. So this frivolous thing talking about, oh, Prince Harry has resigned from the foundation that he created in honor of his mother, and now he has to resign because there was malpractices, this, that, and the third. No. It's because Harry is an honorable gentleman and he will not attach his name to any kind of mess. Not at all. That's why he resigned, for no other reason. Follow the Duchess of Sussex. She's on Instagram. She's a fabulous, deep dive, thoroughly checked Instagram page. She comes with the truth. Always, all day long, every day. and I live for it. So my darlings, continue to live and love. For those of you that do not care about Meghan and Harry, I will always say it, and I bring out a t-shirt saying it. Tell me exactly what she did. Once you tell me what she did, then we can talk. Other than that, I'm not interested. How about that? Darlings, do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you what? I will see you sooner than later. All of my love.